For 40 long years, the Israelites had been submerged in the darkness of oppression. The Philistines' heels pressed down on every inch of their land, and cries of lament echoed through the villages. In Zorah, a small village nestled under harsh rule, lived a man named Manoah from the tribe of Dan. His greatest sorrow wasn't the suffering of his people, but his quiet home, lacking the laughter of children. His wife, a gentle woman, carried the pain of barrenness. Then, one day, as the evening sun painted the rooftops gold, an extraordinary event occurred. The angel of the Lord, in the form of a majestic stranger, appeared before Manoah's wife. A gentle light emanated from the stranger, filling her with both astonishment and awe. "You will have a son," the angel's voice resounded, warm and powerful. "But this child will not be an ordinary child. He will be a Nazirite, set apart for God from birth. He must not touch wine or any intoxicating drink, nor eat any unclean food. And most importantly, his hair must never be cut with a razor. This child will be the one to begin the deliverance of Israel from the Philistine yoke." The woman's heart pounded. Joy and hope surged within her, sweeping away years of sorrow. She rushed home, breathless, to share the good news with her husband. Manoah, after his initial astonishment, prayed earnestly, asking the Lord to send the heavenly messenger once more. His prayer was answered. The angel returned, graciously repeating the sacred instructions and providing detailed guidance on how to raise the special son God would grant them.